I want to reiterate that we from the government of Meghalaya, whatever formalities which is needed to be done, we have complied and we are only awaiting the formal sanction.
Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ke Sorkar jela ubak lak menrumbui ulak kentu Iaki Nonghikai SSA ki badang Iaki menta bagin Yaisha lembat ke Sorkar namar ke Tulop basieu ki kawan ke Sorkar pedeng. Halor kani ula ong ke Sorkar jela ke Shimkhya yakani ke benta banyak keren bat ke Sorkar pedeng. Kumta ulak kentu Iaki Nonghikai bagin lek phai no shiki school jongki namar ke Sorkar kam shamla thiat thai henrei kaya yakun na ke benta jongki.
The communication with the Ministry of Education, Government of India, is every now and then that the government of Meghalaya, we need the government of India to release the first installment. But as of now, we have not got the information exactly when they will release. We got the reply that releasing of fund is on the process. And as I want to reiterate that we from the government of Meghalaya, whatever formalities which is needed to be done, we have complied and we are only awaiting the formal sanction. To work together, I know the hardship which they face every now and then, that due to the late receipt of fund, that they face so much hardship. We understand that, but there are something which is not in our hand. So we have to understand that we should work together and they should resume their classes. The amount depends upon the central government, how much they will release. We want them to release as much as possible, but the central government, in its wisdom, how much they will release. So as and when they release, we will release to the respective managing committee for the payment of teachers.